Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to pin a comment on Instagram. So to do this process, first thing is, of course, you can just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now, over here, of course, to pin a comment, you should go to one of your posts. So, of course, go ahead and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, over here, just simply go ahead and go to one of your posts. So, go ahead and tap on it. And from here, as you can see, you can just simply go ahead and go to the comment section, and now I have a sample comment over here. And now to pin a comment on Instagram, we just simply hold it. And from here, when you hold it, you will have multiple options. You can either add to a story, you can go for pin, reply with a reel, or delete. So here for this video, we are going to pin the comment. So you can just simply tap on a pin over here. And right after that, when you pin a specific comment, guys, it will always be on top. And when you pin a comment, and if 100 people comment onto your post, the pin comment will always stay on top. And pretty much from here, by holding a comment, you should be able to see the pin option or feature of the Instagram. Or if you want to unpin it, you will just simply hold the comment again, and you will have the unpin icon over here to remove it from the top comment of the post. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.